Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360 and you're watching Foodtech Explorer. In this video, we are going to unbox and do the technical review and tastes of a newly launched dates brand called Saliah dates. They have different varieties of dates and they came up with some innovative products using dates. While I'm doing this unboxing, here you can watch the video clip of Saliah dates in our Foodtech TV. Please note that this video is not a sponsored video and neither of any brands has paid for me. What I'm going to say is just my personal opinion as a normal consumer. Also, this video won't be like a normal product review video. You will be getting some knowledge based on the packaging, labeling, processing and quality of the product. So watch the video till end. I have ordered half kg of Fardh dates and 2 innovative products as a sample. This we will see later. Fardh dates is a variety of date which is famous in Oman. They are usually small in size and have a small seed, a tender skin, a sweet flavor and its skin is dark brown. Let's see how genuine this Fardh dates is. So let's start with the details in the labeling. So here it is written as Fardh dates and the brand name is Saliah dates. Then no cholesterol, no added sugar and it's 100% natural. In some dates we have seen they have added some sugar syrup to increase the sweetness of the dates. I have purchased a pack of 500 grams. If we see the back side of the pack, here is the FSSAI license number, then batch details and price details. Then it have a shelf life of 9 months. Nutritional fact shows that it's high in calories, natural sugar and high in iron. The only ingredient in this pack is dates. And here they have given their manufacturing address and contact details. Now let's see the type of packaging they used. This type of packaging is called stand-up pouches. It is a type of flexible packaging which is able to stand erect on its bottom for display, storage and use. Here you can see the white bottom part which enables the pack to stand like this. They usually have multi-layers which may include polyethylene, polypropylene, aluminum foil, polyesters, paper, etc. based on the different properties required like strength, oxygen barrier, moisture barrier, printability, etc. As you can see, the pack is a bit puffed. Why? Because they have used nitrogen flushing during packaging. Nitrogen replaces the oxygen in the food storage bag and it cushions the contents. Unlike oxygen, nitrogen doesn't react with food or affect the flavor or texture, so they stay fresher for longer. Because nitrogen is an inert gas. Now let's open and see how the dates are. This is how it looks like. As we told before, the Fardh dates are small in size and dark brown in color and also have some shiny appearance. The process that mainly involves in the date processing is sorting, washing, fumigation and finally packaging. So let's see the uniformity in the sizes. As you can see, the size is small and the dates are moreover similar in size. So now it's time to taste them. I'll show you how it looks inside the dates. If any kind of insect infestation is found, then the quality is poor. So let's see how is the quality. So let's taste it first. Here you can see there is no insect infestation in it and it is tender also. Let me check one more. Nice. Good sweetness and tasty at the same time. Let's keep the remaining dates in the pouch itself and this can be resealed. The price of these dates is 220 rupees for half kg. Now let's check the 2 innovative products from Saliah dates. I have brought this just for a sample, each costs 30 rupees. These are available in different pack sizes also. This one is dates with lemon and orange peel. The other one is the dates with pistachios and almond. So let's see how they looks. Here you can see 2 dates in each pack. Both dates are bigger in size and have lemon peel and orange peel instead of the seeds. This is the first time I'm tasting this kind of product, so let's taste this one. This one tastes like orange. Now let's taste the other one. Yes, this is lemon. And both taste so good. I really like the combination of that sweetness of the dates and sourness of the orange and lemon. It's a different kind of taste. So let's check the other one. Here one date is stuffed with 2 almonds and another one is stuffed with bits of pistachios. This set looks very rich. Let's taste it. Wow, it's super good. Now with pistachios. Both taste really nice, but among these two, I really like the dates with lemon and orange peel. I like the combination of both, really a must try if you haven't tried this. I have purchased all these products from their official website. They do have other varieties of dates and have date syrup also. So go and visit their website. I have mentioned the link in the description. The product is available in Amazon, Flipkart and Big Basket also. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section. You can support my work through clicking this join button for enabling the membership in Foodtech 360. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Foodtech 360. Thank you.